Hi lovelies! In today's video, we are celebrating elegancy, confidence, and timeless beauty of this some of the best
short haircut hairstyles for your next salon appointment.
Welcome to Mary and Diggy Multiplicity channel. Let's dive into it. Like they always say that
short haircut makes you to be smarty, very easy to maintain, and also keep you healthy. What do I mean? I mean, it's the style that whenever you're having headache, it's good to go. If you are the type that's on a braiding side and love to go on short haircut because of your health condition, it is very good to consider it because it will help your health. We are in the generation whereby you make your decision by yourself. Decision that will help you to live long. Decision that will help you to look more
beautiful,
smarty, and easy go maintenance. Not decision that after you'll be looking for someone to help you out. No, sweetie. Whether your hair is voluminous or not, there are different styles that will fit your face type, your hair texture, and your hair volume. Keep watching.
thank you so much for watching. You have seen how beautiful these our sisters and mommies, how they're looking on this
haircuts.
You can go ahead and try one of these styles. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's the only way you can get me whenever I post a new video. And tell me on the comment section which one you would like to try. Love you from Marian Dickey. Bye.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note,